What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. We are in my 2018 E63 AMG and we're driving to a dealership here in town because I was just messing around at work last week and I was just seeing how much I could get for the E63 just as like a trade-in, and these guys actually offered me a pretty good number that I was like, wait, maybe I might be interested. Not because I'm sick of the car or anything. I love this car, but I mean, if I could get out of it and stop having car payments, then I could just daily the E320 and still have the E55. And then what I ideally want to do is I'd like to save up to get myself like a Lamborghini Gallardo or an Audi R8. I could buy one right after selling this, but I'd like to have more cash just available, or you know, in my savings and all that kind of stuff. But it's a little weird. I mean, with this car's payments, I think I've told you guys, they're about $800 a month on this car, so it's not cheap. It's an expensive car. I know people have higher car payments, and I know it'd be higher on a Lambo, but that's what I'm saying. If I could put a nice down payment on like a Gallardo, if I could get the car payments around maybe this or lower, then yeah, sure. But it's just one of those things where I just kind of want like a nicer, or not a nicer, excuse me, this is a nice car. I just want something that's a little bit more, I guess, exotic, or I guess just to save money now, I think. I don't know. I mean, the only reason I'm going is because they gave me a decent offer. I don't think they're going to meet what I'm trying to get for the car. I'd like to get 50. I don't think they're going to do that. And if they don't, I'm just going to go home. I'm not intending to sell the car, if I'm being honest with you guys. I had nothing to do after work, so I was like, hey, I'll entertain this. Let's see what this could look like. I've always wanted to take the E55 to CarMax and get an appraisal, but I think they're going to give me like $1 for it or something like that. I mean, I don't know, but it's just interesting. I'd like to go and, this is not CarMax, this is another dealership. I want to go and just see what I can get for it. So I'll take you guys for the ride. I don't know if I can film in there. I'm assuming I probably can't. So that's why I'm doing it here in the car, but we're like 10 minutes away. Yeah, so if you guys know, it's up in Centennial. If you're familiar with the Las Vegas area, it's in Centennial. I live by the Mountain's Edge area over the Blue Diamond. So it's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes with the highway. So nothing too crazy. I know, you know, in LA this would be like a longer drive or something, but here it's not too bad. But yeah, I guess while we're doing this, a quick update on some of the other cars. E320 is doing good. I've been dailing it every day, forgetting when I put diesel in it because it gets like 40 miles a gallon. E55, I haven't driven in like a month and a half. The only thing I've done to it is I did the diff oil service on it, which I have a video on that. I need to edit it and release it. But that's about it. I haven't really driven the car. I'm still waiting on just to have time to put that. I told you guys I was getting a parts S55 with a motor that's good. I'm honestly just looking for more time because I work 2 jobs. I'm looking for more time and just space. I just don't have space at the house right now, and the shop is it's crazy. There's no room, and it's not top priority. I mean, the E55 is not my daily driver. It's not even a car I drive every day. So, you know, and with that, there's going to be other stuff I want to do. I'd like to, even though the motor was rebuilt, even though it blew up again, I guess, I'd like to buy some performance parts and everything, and it's just, I don't know. I just don't want to spend the money right now, if that makes sense. But overall, yeah, I mean, this video I'm making about everything else, but this is about the E63. A little bit of details about this car. I bought this car in January of this year, 2025, so I've had it for 10 months now. Yeah, 10 months. It's a 2018 AMG E63s. Currently, it's got about 59,000 miles on it, so the miles aren't that high. I'm the 3rd owner, I believe, of this car, and the car is, I mean, it is amazing. I love this thing. It's fast. It's easy to drive every day. It's got everything you'd want. Apple CarPlay. It's got massaging seats, cooled seats, heated seats. It is an amazing car. If anybody's thinking about it, do it. Which I'm kind of hoping they don't give me what I want for it, so I don't have to sell the car, because I love this thing. And I mean, I've been thinking about what to replace it with. That's why I'm saying Lamborghini Gallardo or Audi R8. Because what else would you replace this with? I mean, I could get a M5 comp. I don't know. I feel like it'd be in the same position. I've always preferred the E63 over the M5, so I feel like it'd be a downgrade for me. Not that the M5 is a bad car. It's just I like the E-Class better. I don't know. I can't think of anything else that I really, really, really want that's not super expensive. I mean, yes, I want a R8 Gallardo. I'd love a Mercy. I'd love a 458 Italia, but obviously those are really expensive cars. So, and I kind of, honestly, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I enjoy driving the cheap stuff. Like the E320 CDI, I love driving that thing. I'm about to do another oil change on it. I've already put 5,000 miles on it. It's amazing, gets great gas mileage. And they're cheap cars. Like if they break, I mean, yeah, it's a, it's a $2,000 car, so 2,000 is not a small amount, but it's a lot better than $50,000 like this thing. So, yeah, so we'll see. I don't anticipate selling the E63. I think I'm going to be closing this out, telling you guys I'm driving home with the E63. I didn't do anything with it. And if I don't, like I said, I hope they don't buy it because I do love this car so much. And it is, I mean, oh my God, it's so fast. And that's just, I'm in eco comfort mode right now. So, it's got half the cylinders turned off and whatnot. It's cruising. It's actually, it'll do like 25 miles a gallon. It's actually not bad for a 600 horsepower V8. So I really do enjoy the car. It's very comfortable. It's great. If I don't end up selling it, what I want to do with it, I'm in talks with the company to maybe do downpipes. We'll see. I'd like to do tires on the car, put new tires on it, and maybe refurbish the wheels because they have a lot of curb rash on them. I do like the wheels. I don't really want to change them unless I go with like some HREs. But those are expensive wheels, and I'm not buying HRE wheels right now. So, yeah, that's kind of it. So I guess at this point, I'll see you guys once I get there. I'll see you at the dealership. Well, just like I thought I couldn't film, so, I didn't really record anything, but I got an offer back from the car. They did their inspection and everything. Well, actually, hold on. We gotta get on the highway very quickly, and getting on the highway with this car is particularly fun. God, it's just so, it's so fast. It is so scary fast. And then I just put it back in comfort mode in eco, and I'm gonna get 25 miles a gallon again. So offer came back at 41.5. Not what I wanted. Like I said, I wanted around the 50 mark. I mean, like I said, I wasn't really expecting this to go anywhere because it's a dealership, and most of the time trade-in value is always going to be a lot less than private party. So if I really wanted to sell the car and get the most money out of it, it's going to have to go private party. It's just, I just don't want to deal with kind of selling it right now. And like I said, I'm really not trying to sell the car. Genuinely, I really don't want to sell it. It's just one of those things. But yeah, so I don't know. It is what it is when it comes to the cars and everything. At this point, like I said, I'm just gonna try to get the what is it called? The losing my little train of thought there. Downpipes with that company. So I'm not gonna say anything just yet. But we'll see if I get that. That'd be pretty cool. And then maybe we'll buy a Eurocharge tune or something and tune it and make it like 800 horsepower. So that's for right now. That's all I really got for you guys. I do need to do another video on the E55 because the E55, I did put new wheels on it. I'm sure you guys have seen it in the background. And I want to talk about that. It was, yes, I put wheels on it before I fixed the knocking engine because the deal was just too good to pass up. I couldn't pass the deal. So I just ended up doing it, and then I put the wheels on it. But overall, that's the E63 dealership saga. The dealership's Auto Nation, Las Vegas. No fault to the dealership, not throwing any shade. They gave me what they think is a fair offer. That's perfectly fine. Their biggest complaint was they said that the car needs tires. They said that the tires are going to be about $2,500, $3,000, which from what I've looked at online with Michelin's and everything, it's about right there. It's like $2,000 what I found. Their tires are expensive, man. They're expensive nowadays, especially on an E63 AMG. These 20-inch tires, they're not small, and I need to put tires on. I've known that since I bought it. These tires are from 2023, and they're just, I don't know, it's just time for them to be replaced. They've kind of cracked because I think the car's sat for a while and whatnot. So, but yeah, that's the saga for me trying to get a trade-in offer on the E63. Nothing too wild. I kind of figured it was going to be a waste of my time, but I was like, hey, I've got nothing else to do. Might as well do this. But yeah. What do you guys think? You think it's a fair offer? You think it's too much? You think it's not enough? I don't know. I mean, these cars private party trade around 50. So if I could get that just to get out of my loan clearing free, it is what it is. And yes, I do have a loan. I didn't just pay 50 grand cash for this car because that's kind of stupid on a depreciating asset like that. But regardless, I am heading home now, and I'm gonna go work on the E320. I got to go do an oil change on it. The car needs one pretty bad. And we'll go from there. But look out for that video on the oil change on the E55 on the diff change. We're going to do a I'll do an update on the E55 with the wheels, because I love the wheels and I got to show you guys and everything. And then if I can work out a sponsorship deal for the E63, we'll definitely figure something out, because I really would love to put downpipes on this. But yeah, well, you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope you all take it easy.